You looking at your mom?
Look at you. You're almost 3 weeks old. Do you know that? Wow.
Wow.
Are you going to say something to the camera?
What are you going to say?
Bless you.
So you'd like to say bless you. Mike Tyson face. Oh.
You're very happy. Very happy today. Eva.
What are you thinking?
Happy? You
Big
want to eat
blue
your
eyes.
fingers?
Huh?
And try your fingers out for size? You're very cute. You're very cute.
What? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? You looking at your mom?
Whoa, your whole fist. Get your whole fist in there.
Big yawn.
Big.
Big yawn.
Did you just flip the camera off?
You're looking right at it. You're looking right at it.
What is that thing? You
What
like
is
that?
it? Can you follow it? Follow. Yeah? A little? Over here in the middle. Over here.
You're born to be a star. You're born to be a star. Or a pirate.
Singer? Are you smiling? Are you yawning? Big yawn.
Oh, it was a big one.
It's Mom.
What's the matter?
What? What?
What's the matter? What's the matter?